Hello. Hello there. How are you? Welcome to GIJO Gadgets. Please subscribe to our channel and also click on the notification bell for our future video. Today we'll be unboxing equipment which is for the use of our studio to do our YouTube video works, especially on the sound. So this is it. I've ordered this V8 sound card. So let's just unbox. Okay, the packing looks good. Okay, so I just cut it from here. There you are. So okay, the box, retail box, is in Chinese. Okay, so all the blah 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 Chinese, I can't read Chinese. So with the icon Bluetooth, yes of course, CPU, and then this is the heart rate, is it? No. Sound and the cable. Okay, made in China. Okay, so let's see inside. There you are. So we have manual book here. It shows you how you get connected. Okay. So what we have here, this is a V8S audio mixer. This is okay, headphones. Let's come together. Headphone. And then okay, this is audio jack cable. So two similar one. Okay, and this is a normal USB cable with a micro USB 3 cable. There you are. Wow, looks good. Live stream audio interface V8S. So there's a knob. Okay, no jam. Whoa, learning to be a DJ soon. It's metal. This side you can connect to USB, phone 2, phone 1, auxiliary, headphone, and also you can connect to microphone also. Okay, so let's try to power up. Okay, now I have turned on my computer workstation. So using the provided USB cable, so I'll be connecting this to my computer. Okay, so let's power up and see. Okay, on off button is here. See that? So, okay, what I'm gonna do is okay, let's power up, and yep, the system shows setting, installing. Okay, that's good. So we'll try out what's gonna happen next. Okay, so now I had fully all set up to my computer. Okay, so let's power on and try. Okay, alright, so this is connected to my condenser mic, and also this is to my speaker amplifier, and this to my headphone, and this connected to PC. Okay, and this is connected to the auxiliary channel from my line out PC. Okay, so there are a few knobs here and also a few buttons here. So if I want to chat, just talk, the sound will be like this. I'm using my mic now. Sound check, testing 1 2 3, and this goes on sing. Hello. So this is with echo wave where you can adjust your echo over here. Okay, and this is a sound tune. Okay, and this is a pitch bend. This is a very nice gadget. Sound check, sound check. There you are. This is a monster voice. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello. Okay, sound check. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so on top of that we have this all this button where for the live streaming. Okay, so this is set as a volume, and this is a monitor as a volume also. The sound come up from my speaker. So let's try the sound effect. Okay, hope you can hear.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Victory!
Oh no! Make more time.
So I think that's about it. Okay, so I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.